All right, we straight now. All right. What's up, team? Back to making this bread on the market. So, oh man, we gotta. Let me not even talk about NQ. Let me just pull up Qs. I mean NQ. Now that I even got it up right now, NQ does look heavy. So, if y'all trade, y'all know NQ is like the father of QQQ. So we do look a little heavy on NQ, but let's see how QQQs look.
He was kind of like the same as Spy, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, the Qs look a little bit not that bad as NQ. NQ looks like it's snitching a little more. So I'm gonna let y'all know why right now. So yeah, we got a green candle on base, but it's still closed lower than prior day. And we below on the RSI on the white line. So it could easily turn into a reject off this white line. And I'm only saying that because of this MAC. They're real they're literally about to cross each other, like literally. So we might get some potential pullback. And I was just looking at the features right now, and they sold off a little bit. So it's I'm kind of thinking NQ is really telling the story tomorrow. So let me see. So we got, let me see what level. Let me see.
What is the ticket for NQ, bro?
Just put NQ and it's gonna pop up. It's gonna look like
All
this.
right, yeah, because I usually follow NAS and Spy. I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
understand the
yeah.
NQ.
So yeah, it's NQ is for the QQQs and ES is for SPY. So yeah, this looks heavy. So basically, if we lose, what's this? What's this? 59, 69 on NQ. I think it's gonna sell off a little tomorrow. So since we're talking about that, let's just talk about ES too, so you guys could get a feel. All right, so ES, yeah, ES looks very heavy. So
Oh, it's like a mini Spy.
yeah, yeah, this is like the
Gotcha.
like the basically like NQ is for NQQ, this is for SPY.
Yeah,
So
Spy.
this red candle on support. This is why I said it looks heavy, because this got a red candle on support. So damn man, we probably should have swung some puts. So yeah, red candle on support, resistance. I'm sorry, not support. Resistance, red candle on resistance, and look at this. It's already kicking down the RSI, and we're definitely overbought. This is definitely overbought zone. And let's see how the MAC doing right now. The MAC is probably doing no, the MAC is not as bad as QQQ. So I'm still bearish though. Still bearish. So let's talk about SPY, right? You might have to stick to some regular names. Now look, it's completely different. Wow. So SPY, if we didn't look at ES, you'll think that SPY is gonna rip higher, right?
Yeah.
Look at the strength on this candle on Friday. And SPY was the winner on top of Qs. And when I spoke on Zoom Thursday, this is the only reason why I was bullish a little bit, because I seen this main support on the RSI building a third leg. So when you get multiple legs, it's usually strong. So I was leaning towards the upside. I just didn't know it was gonna rip like this. So my opinion is we're gonna probably pop up and then sell off a little bit. Now I got some levels that I want to look at. The ones that I deleted. Let me stretch it out. Hold on. All right. Don't mind these down here. It's gonna drive you crazy. So I'll
Pop
keep.
up as some past all-time highs or might bounce off all-time highs?
Yeah. Yeah. So these levels I got from back on almost January of last year.
Mm.
So we gotta let me see. We gotta be, I think we could pop to at least 460 and then try to get a pullback. Let me see. I'm trying to let y'all see where I got this at. 1 second, yeah. 1 second, yeah, because I did this earlier. There we go. All right. So boom, right? What's this? 2022. Yeah, so it was 22, but the beginning, April. Yeah, so this is April and this is over. This should be January. Yeah. No, this is July. No, January, my bad. I got my glasses, yo. Fucking blind. So this is January and April. So this is where I got those levels from. This is why I drew them just in case we do push hard. I didn't put no levels up here because we gotta take it one step at a time. So I think we go to at least 460 is gonna be a big zone. And keep in mind, look at this reject area as well. So it could be the craziest double top to the downside, right? But this, let me hold on. So I'm gonna explain these lines as well. So this, I went back. I went all the way back to where I got those levels, and the RSI surprisingly went all the way up here on these levels. That's why I got these yellow lines on the overbought, because I'm like, damn, is SPY really gonna climb higher? It's gonna probably try to hit one of these highs on the RSI. So I don't want you guys to think that it's just gonna sell off because it crossed over the red line. So these lines are real levels on the RSI when I went back. So I would honestly, if you're gonna try to go for the upside, I would only look for SPY. I wouldn't even go for the Qs because look how SPY looks and look how the Qs is looking. So the Qs is just holding this support. So if it's real, and we don't go lower, I think you're good to go long above this 391.20 on Qs. That will bring you at least to, what's this right here? This is almost 392.60, and then from there it's gonna get rocky. It might come down. So that might be a hard read, but I think they're gonna knock us down hard because we got, if I mean, it's not a perfect head and shoulders, but this is a shoulder build. This could be the head, and it could be another shoulder potential build to start bringing the market a little bit back. We're in December already. We had a crazy November, so clean short will have to be break of 387.65, I'll say. In fact, 60. I'll do 60 to go short on Qs. That should bring it at least to right here, which is what's this? 385. That's not bad. Maybe lower to these lower the candles, but yeah, you can be a full throttle bull on the Qs, yeah, right here, because this looks weak. Look, higher, weak, lower high, lower high. Now it looks like it might put another lower high. So this is not being bullish like over here. You see, and making these pivots higher to go up higher. Now it's trying to say, all right, it might be some exhaustion on these bulls finally. All right, so SPY, I want to put my levels for y'all. SPY. Okay, so let me delete all them lines. All right. So this will be a fire short opportunity. I'll tell you guys right now why. 458.30 before it gets to before it goes to 455. Because remember, 455 is a key area so far, like I'll say a week and a half on SPY. So if we clash under this, we could go to 455. And the reason why I'm saying short here because of this wick right here. So if that wick gets taken out, we should go to the top of this candle right here on the close. And if that gets taken out, then it's definitely gonna go lower. But I think 455 puts are good below this entry. And I will watch 460 for the long, 460 like 10 or 15. There's a lot of space on the Bali too. It's not like it's tight or anything on the daily. So if 460 15 holes, I think SPY is gonna do one more push and then come back down because I believe we're gonna come down this week. That's my opinion. I think we come down. There might be data I gotta check. Let me pull up the tickers while I check. Let's talk about Apple.
Got a little bit of data this week, not too much.
All right, thank you, bro. So not too much data, all right. So Apple, Apple don't look, I mean, they're already diving a little. How's this looking? Okay. Interesting. This is why I said SPY looks a little stronger. So SPY and Apple, right? What I like about Apple is that we're reaching this resistance area with this candle and it's showing that the bulls want to stay in because we're holding good on the 20. I'm sorry, on the 9. This is the green line, the 9. But it's gonna be a tricky level to crack right here. This 192.5 zone is gonna be very important. So 193 is gonna be key tomorrow. But if I had to pick one, Apple looks good. It's matching Spy's energy, not the Q's. It's matching Spy's energy, in my opinion. Apple looks good. Um, I would just wait till 193 to try to long it. So I'll say 193.15. Let's talk about Microsoft. Probably look heavy because the Q's looked a little well, NQ. Yeah, looks heavy before I even popped up. So Microsoft looks super heavy. And Thursday we had a while. Yeah, Thursday. This was Thursday. Friday, consolidation, almost doji candle build. And sorry, this is Thursday. I'm bugging out. Sorry, guys. So this was Thursday. And it went right under the 9 on Friday. So we was was we bearish? Yeah, we was because the RSI was under. I was bearish on Microsoft on Thursday. So tomorrow it can, damn, let me see. Yeah, nasty downside. The wick on the daily is the only positive thing because the wick came above almost these candles. So the drop wasn't that heavy, and you could consider this almost a 3-day semi downtrend. The only thing that wasn't heavy was this day. So it could try to bounce, but it's gonna be a tricky one. If I had to pick, I think I must say I'm still a little heavy on Microsoft. I wouldn't go long on Microsoft until we get here, in my opinion. Let me put this level for a bounce. 370, yeah, 370. I'll watch not to go shorter again. I'll just see if it bounces to try to go up. Because we already been going down for almost 3 days. So I wouldn't tell you guys to chase it just yet. We already got some downside movement for the past 3 days on the on the RSI. So I feel like the move on the downside is already missed. So yeah, I wouldn't not go long. Not go short on Microsoft yet. Thursday to Friday was the short entry, in my opinion. Really was Wednesday. Wednesday all the way to Friday was the crazy short entry. So bearish on Microsoft, bullish on Apple. So Netflix, I was bearish on Netflix too on Thursday. Wow, what a downside move on Friday. But Netflix could bounce here. That's it. I don't think Netflix could go, well, it could go down more. The market do whatever it wants. But in my opinion, I think it bounces here. This is a good breakout area that usually stocks will retest and then bounce. So we got how many days already? About 2 days on the Mac and already 3 red candles. So Netflix probably gonna come down to here before we get a bounce. So 462 is a good level to watch on Netflix to see if you want to get a reversal. Tesla, Google's next. Oh, Tesla. Wow. Tesla looks like it's gonna hold. I'm bullish. I don't look bearish at all. The only reason is this 50. I like it. It's like it's been flirting with the 50, right, for the past 2 weeks, and every time it's flirting there, it likes to go up, obviously. So, and it happens every time on a green candle build right here. So that's positive. So we got a green candle build. We just got to see if it's going to continue. I like this pivot here, right here. I was trying to hold this, so it went through. So that's good. It went through already. So we just gotta wait for a reversal off this green day right here. Hopefully it continues. But we look good. Even the MAC is still positive. Sorry, I'm trying to zoom into the MAC. Yeah, the MAC is still positive, super extended from each other. So this is not crossing yet. So we could definitely see some movement on the upside with this EVs. So I would watch it above this match this. It has, I'll say around here. It's a good watch on Tesla, which is what, 243. 243 should give you at least 245 calls if you want them. Yeah, look, it goes to 246 at least. So bullish on Tesla, bullish on Apple. The rest look heavy. Let's talk about Google and then we get to these names. Google's looking like a morning star opportunity. We got two heavy red days, Thursday, Friday. Off the bearish engulfing. Yep, bearish engulfing on the daily on Thursday. Brought it down. Doji green. Potential bounce. And it's understandable because look, this is where Google broke the 50 finally and it started trending up. So if it does doji reverse up out of here, it makes sense because it's off this breakout area. So it's trying to build a pattern here that it likes to bounce off this. What's this price level? Let me see. This 130, 130 zone. So it looks decent. This is still positive. We do got one MAC red. This already broke support here recently. Right here's a bounce, and then the next. So it might come down a little more before it tries to reverse. But yeah, it looks like it could be a potential morning star. Not bearish on this one. So if I had to be bullish, it'll be this one, Tesla, and Apple. Nothing more. All right. All right, let me get to these names. Oh, Meta. Shoot, sorry. Of course, almost missed one of this. Meta could reverse two off the 50. A lot of dojis happening before it gets here. So this was the breakout area on Meta around here. And then it continued up. So as long as we stay above this, I believe Meta could go higher. Meta already got what? Yeah, three red max already. So yeah, it could be a nice reversal off a fourth day because we already got three red days. So Meta looks bullish. All right. I would look at it above, what's this? Almost 329. Yeah, 329. It's right here. Around 329 is good. I think 329 is a good entry. That's support around here, resistance over here, and then over here is semi-support. All right. Let's go through these names, see what we got this week. I'm warning you, I got some health names. All right. Okay. This one looked good on Friday. Let's see how it looks on the daily. Wow, it looks good. Definitely could try to leg up one more day off of 2 days green. Let me see. So this is Altria MO tobacco. Tobacco name. Yeah, I'll watch it around the right here, this entry. What's this? 43.90. I'll put 90. 42.90. I apologize. They got 43 calls and they got 43 and a half, depending how you want to play it. It could definitely go at least to this price level, which is 43.20 almost. Then from there, could definitely go up higher. Everything's aligning up. This is super strong, in my opinion. This is good too. Increase on the MAC and on the positive. No weakness. So super strong play here. Looks like you get some push to the upside. Philip Morris is another name, PM, if you want to look at that one. They both tobacco. Next, General Mills. See how this looks on the daily. Nice. Nice continuation from Thursday. We spoke on Thursday, I believe. Yeah. So the alert barely went off. It just missed it, right? It did rip more from Thursday when we spoke on it, but just missed the strength of the candle. So I'm gonna keep that level. I'm not gonna change it. I still like it. I still believe it could continue. This is crossing up. This is over here. Bears getting weaker. So I'm still bullish on this one. Continue watching this. What else I got? Here's one of the health name medical properties. Let me see how this one's looking. Small account friendly, guys. Okay. We just hit the 50. Now tomorrow we have to watch how it's gonna either go above it or below. I don't think it's gonna go below. This looks upsidey. Yeah, it broke RSI. Everything. Yeah. Bullish on this. Let's see what level we get in. So right here. And what's this? $5.37. I'm gonna put that to 35 cents. Yeah, yeah. See if we get a sector rotation finally. With health. I think health and energy will probably be a good one to go into. In my opinion. Everything's else been going crazy. They the laggers. All right. Arm looks good. Let me see how it looks on the daily. All right, we got a nice little cup right here. Little handle and cup. Cup and handle. So Arm could try to reach IPO levels. Not IPO, sorry. Day 2 of IPO levels. This was day 1, day 2 of IPO levels, right? Which is the high, what? This is the high almost 68.5. So I would just watch it above because it could reject right here off that wick. That's what, 66. It's currently at 64. So 65 calls might be good and then just get out as soon as it gets 66. So, and then this is actually 66.5 per 65 right here. Let's see how this is looking on the charts. Yeah, I like this entry. Yeah, and then just like I said, 66 is gonna be a critical zone. So if you do catch it, I will either trim or get out there TP. But if it breaks that resistance, oh man, it's gonna go higher. But this company, they got a lot of high high optimism on the market for ARM holdings. So I could see this thing going higher. Like maybe by March or April, could be pushing 70 to 80 bucks maybe. It's definitely trending up there right now. Not that far either from me. So ARM looks good. I got another tech one. ON Semiconductors. This is part of the semi names. NVIDIA did a nice push on Friday. So I like this one. This was not bad. Like, it's holding an uptrend decent. This is the first pivot, second low, third low. This, as you can see, it's getting higher, these bounces. So we could definitely get above this 50. I think we good to go to the upside. So uh, let's do 65 cents in your money. Mac and RSI looks good too, team, as you guys can see. So this looks good. I got a small name one. See how Sirius looks, Siri XM radio. This one too is doing an uptrend. This is the lowest area. This is the other higher low. And now it's double bottoming above the 200. This is the first bounce. This is the second. Now I'm talking about the double. And look, this looks good too, both of these. Okay, so I'll watch Siri around 497 to try to get the fives or the 5.5 if you could. Next, Unity. See what Unity look like. I think Unity, I should have restarted my comp. Apologize. Unity looks good. Wow, this is a bullish engulfing. Gotta watch it around right here, I'll say 33.45s. I believe they got half calls, so take that one. But yeah, it looks strong around all cylinders too. So off the bullish engulfing Unity, nice. It's probably one of my favorite ones we spoke on so far. We got AI, artificial. They got ER this week too. Keep in mind, AI looks good. So if AI rips ER, common sense, just go look at other related AI names like Sound, Accenture, things of that nature. This might have a bullish engulfing too on the daily team. Yeah,
Yeah, it looks fire, bro. I was gonna talk about that one.
yeah, this one is a bullish engulfing. So this just wait till we crack this level right here and you could go. But yeah, keep in mind though, they definitely got earnings, so it's gonna get volatile if you holding it through. So watch this 32.15 level. Looks good on everything. Mac is dark green too, and RSI already pivoting up. So AI looks fire upside. Another small account one, Asana or Asana? Which one? Make sure I'm writing it right. Oh, Asana. Okay. Ticker's Asana. Hmm. Okay. Yeah, put in a move on Friday. This one. Okay. It's tight though. The bodies already crashing into each other. All right. Obviously, this was the stop on that day right here. So put it right. Yeah, right here is good, I think. 23. Let's do what's that? 05? Yeah, 05. But we got a nice double bottom here. Well, not double, sorry, like a triple. 1, 2, 3. Uh, and the Mac. Yeah, Mac looks fun. Mac got the double. Sorry, Mac got the double. 1, 2. Nice. All right, so this looks good for upside momentum. T.
Looking steamy.
Yeah, TDC. See what TDC looks like. Okay, it's a tight ass like kind of a flag going on here, cause it's holding this area right here like crazy. Okay. Let me see. Let's delete that. What this looks like. Yeah, this could go. Hell yeah. We gotta watch this one tomorrow. this. I gotta crack these two areas out of here. So if it cracks the first one, chances are it's gonna probably rip the first one. I'll watch it here for y'all. Put the alert. I'll put 30 cents. There you go. Trying to see the action it was putting in over here. Okay, it could go to here. That's a level right here. Uh-huh. There we go. This is another level right here. All right, so those are two targets I have set if this goes there. Looks good, looks good. If I draw a trend line from here up, there's a lot of touches, like 3 or 4 touches connected. So TDC looks good. What else we got? Sun I spoke about. This is AMKR. I haven't played this one in a while. Amcore. Damn, this joint got filled. Wow. We missed that run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What a run. Okay. Does it look bullish still though? I don't know. Did bounce off the 9 beautifully on Friday. Let me see this. Oh yeah, still could try to rip up. The Mac don't look that weak. Wow, yeah. This could go up, believe it or not. From what I see, I'm gonna watch this zone. The base of this candle, or the base around these candles look good for the upside. So yeah, what's this? August start. Yeah, this is a damn, this joint ripped like crazy. I can't believe it. I let this go underneath my eyes without even like noticing how it ripped so many days. So yeah, I just like how this candle built above, well, held above the 9 and it wicked. So basically the bulls held above this whole range of price action. So it looks like it wants to hold up here to build higher. So I like this one for upside, and this has a lot of space, and this is like not a perfect alligator mouth, but it looks like it's opening up still. So yeah, this looks good to go up. Is it expensive? Not even that expensive either. AMKR, 30 calls they got, not bad. Next. Oh, QCOM. Remember the alert went off Friday. The 130 calls hit. That was the one I was eyeing too when the alert went off, but I didn't play it. I got the alert ready for y'all. I just want to pull up the chart so you guys can see the potential breakout scenario in the macro. Yeah, QCOM, once it breaks this right here, gonna go crazy. So 130, I'll watch 130.65 on QCOM. So let me move this. Remember, that's the alert that hit Friday. So let me move that alert a little higher. 65. If it breaks that, I think we could see 132.5 calls and 135 maybe. Obviously 132.5 is more promising, so but it looks good. It doesn't look weak to me. This 1, 2, 3, 4 red. Not a lot of downside though. RSI is definitely in our favor just because it's still trying to go up. Now if it breaks this recent resistance area, then I think we could finally crash against the white line and rip through. So, and you see QCOM does go higher on the overbought, or it could go to almost here if it wants to go. So go watch QCOM. Orale, Oracle. Let's go, Oracle. Shout out to climbing. So Oracle,
Bro, we've been peeping the same shit. I had that one on watch too.
nice. Oracle looks fired for the week, man. Looks like it's getting ready to break out of this consolidation area. So I'm watching it right on that yellow line for y'all. Just do 75. 120 calls, what maybe they got 118, whatever. I think both will print. But looks good here. Mac looks like it might wanna maybe kink up a little higher before you. I mean, it's not pointing down, that's the good thing, or crashing against the orange. But we're still looking good on these two indicators, my candles and my RSI. And they got earnings. Oh, in 2 weeks, not even soon. So it might be a low-key ER runner. This name is not one of them names that's downgraded. They actually get upgraded in line. I believe they got a higher price target than where it is now. So
Oh, that huge gap fill too that they could
yeah,
do.
this is a gap area. Yep, that is holding. I was just about to say that. I noticed it right here. Yeah. Yeah, man. I like Oracle. Bullish, man. Good eye climbing. All right, let's see. Oh, oomphy. Let's see. This is so food related right here. Food related. Uh, yeah, definitely should have restarted my shit. Okay. UNFI. Man, that's a candle on the daily right there. That's a candeezy. Gap fill. Filling gaps. Let's go. So this should be an easy entry above the 50, in my opinion. Yeah, I mean, if you want to wait above here, definitely could. You just want to clear these areas right here. So I think I'll watch it before that wick. Chances are it's gonna rip it. Let's do the small account friendly. We got some wick fill activity and the RSI looks very good. Everything looks good. The Mac too looks decent. Let me stretch it. Yeah, the Mac is green. Next, Campbell Soup, CPB. Yeah, I like Unity, I like AI, and I like UNFI and Oracle so far as my top ones. Campbell looks good too. Don't look bad. It's definitely not trying to go low because they try to break structure here off this triple top rejection. 1, 2, 3. What happened? Went down, but look, they bought it up here. So if I draw this trend line going upward, could definitely get some touch. And this looks great. So Campbell Soup could definitely try to go higher. Look, we got 10 change too on the Mac. The Bears is getting weaker. I'm gonna wait till we get above, till we crash on the 50 to see the price. The price action is giving me. And if I could try to go for the 41s. Because you could go for the 41s and then just try to get out around that triple top where I named it at, which is 41.17, or just trim. Because this could definitely try to creep higher. Remember, these names been getting killed. This one, Killanova, KHC, General Mills, they all in the same sector. They've been getting killed. So it could have potential to try to, go higher to this price range. So
XLY is super bullish as well, bro. I was checking it out today.
there you go. Thank you, bro. So okay, next we got Hall. Harley Davidson look good. Let's see. Wow, that's a nice ripper on Friday with the volume to add. So Harley Davidson, damn. Wow, looks good. Yeah, bullish on this one, y'all. Watching you, I'm watching you. See if I can take a ride on this one. What's this, 70? Yeah, 3170. I think they got half calls too, but this one you might have to put some time on it just in case they don't move that crazy. The potential to go to 32 for sure. Potential, yeah. Double bottom. So it broke out of this double bottom and look what happened. It built a whole long flag to finally break. So that's definitely so. I mean, if it could go, yeah, what's this level right here? Almost 33. Yeah, we could go almost here too. But watch that level though, that alert that I got on for y'all. eBay, eBay, eBay. Damn, a lot of lower, higher lows. We got this area right here. Now we got a little higher here, and now we're getting higher here. It's almost this is almost a cup and handle too. This is the handle. This is the cup movement. So you gonna watch that level right here on eBay. What's this? I'll say 42. Might as well to 42.05 for confirmation. They got half calls for sure. Bullish on this and bullish on this. Looks like it's about to just start testing this channel price range right here. So we got Uber guys. Seif was talking about it in the chat and the day. So the only reason I like it is because they're already reaching highs, like all-time highs. So the reason I'm thinking it could go higher, or maybe they might sell it off. And like I would say, put it like this. I know they're probably gonna sell it off because it ripped crazy after hours, right? So most likely they're gonna sell it off. So my opinion, the way you play Uber is wait for that sell off, right? Maybe 5 minutes within the market opening, literally 5 minutes in. If you see a bounce, get in and play the 60 calls because that's where it ripped to after hours. So I believe it could rip back down all the way to right underneath 60 area around and then play the 60s, get print, and then get out because I don't know if it's gonna go higher from there. But if it does go higher, it's gonna go at least $2 to $3, in my opinion, higher. Because stocks that go once they start hitting all-time highs, of course, depending on what ticker it is, but this ticker specifically will normally go $3 to $5 the most. Now, if we're talking about like Tesla, Microsoft, obviously, if it's all-time highs, you'll probably go like 10 to 15, maybe all-time highs. But this could do 3 to 5 at least, depending on the market movement. But I will push for at least $3 move. So maybe it could go to 62 and change, almost 63. But I don't know if it's gonna just rip at the open and keep going high. I believe there's gonna be sell, and then I think the best place to get in right on when they stop selling on the bounce. So hopefully after 5 minutes open, that will happen for Uber. So the bounce, like I said, let me put the alert, will be around here. Right here. So see what happens around there. Look at the 1 minute, look at your 15. There's some wick activity happening, then you know they're trying to bounce it. Remember those wicks on the 15, if they unnormal, then it's a good time for you to pay attention, most likely. All right, so we got Uber. And I think my boy Nami was talking about MODG. Top Golf. think I looks. Whoa, that's the 15. Definitely not watching that. It ripped though after I was peep. It ripped, so it's good. The daily. Ooh, the daily looks fire.
My golfing season was over.
Yeah, apparently not. All right. This damn, this looks strong. Strong bowly. All right, so right here. I think right above the crack over here, what's this, the highs of November? I think it's a good area to watch it of the highs of November. Breaks this, we should start testing prices range around this. So we got a high of what right here, 1380 or so, 90, sorry. And this is what around 1330. Okay. So 1330. Think I should put 1340 as a matter of fact. Yeah, 1340, because I don't like, I'm gonna show you guys the candle that's making me change that price level. This candle, I want to be above this candle right here. This one right here. Because this one is the candle that smoked it down, if you see on this trend lately. I'm sorry, not lately, sorry, on that month. It smoked it down. So I want to get above that because that was a trend that it was to the downside. So if it breaks above that downside trend, we should go higher to possibly almost trying to go to 14. They don't got weeklies. I think they got like 3 weeks, so that's more than enough time. And this looks good, the Mac and RSI. So watch Top Golf, Hershey. See how Hershey looking. Hershey wasn't getting no love last month. I was surprised. Now, yeah, look, Hershey got smoked. No action. Thursday was a nice candle. Damn, Thursday would have been a nice swing entry. So let's see if we get day 3 on Hershey's. We're gonna watch it above the 21, y'all. Simple entry. Just wait until we get above the 21. And you could long her. Let me see if RSI. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. It's tint change, as you guys can see. It's definitely lighter. There we go. So Hershey off the double bottom, of course. One, not even three. One, two, three. If you really want to count this one, that's up to you. That'll be 4, but uh, anything 3 or more is strong on either direction, down or side, or down or upside. So Hershey looks good to go higher. Uh, what else? Oh, I got some energy names now as well. Talk about some energy. All right, we almost done. JKS, Jinko Solar. N phase was moving good. FSLR was moving good. And this looks good on the daily. Bullish engulfing again. Got a lot of bullish engulfing. Not bad. So look, this is pivoting high, double bottom. All we needed to do is crash the white line and it's gonna rip higher. We already got a light pink on the max, so that adds up with the strength of the candle. Bears getting weaker. So the base of the crack of the 21 and 9 is good entry, but I'm gonna wait until we get around here, which is the base of some candles over there. What's this? Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, the base of these candles over here. Probably go to right here. What's this? Okay. Almost 35, and this is 34, so almost a whole dollar move. Not bad. It could go higher though. It looks like it's gonna go higher in my opinion. I think solar or energy names start getting some love. If PCG Pacific Gas and Energy. Let's see what this looks like. Nice bounce off of resistance. Easily caught that right away. Nice bounce. So what is this? This looks good too. Okay. Okay. We just need some structure over here. It might put in the 10 chain tomorrow, but I don't like how it didn't put one in after 3 green days. Hmm. Let me see what's this. What's this? 1757. Yeah, I'll wait till we get there. That's almost a 20. No, the 9, sorry. My 9 touch. Not not bearish though. Still looks good. I like the upside on this one. Yeah, I like it has to crack that. This is a little resistance area, so yeah, I like this alert entry because if it gets above here, we technically should start dancing up here too. So watch that one. Might as well talk about ET too, right? Let's see how ET looking.
I can't you say earmuffs?
Earmuffs. Talk about ET. Okay. Oh, I mean, ET tried it Friday, almost tried to break out. It just got wick. But it looks good. Yeah. Oh yeah, ET could definitely go tomorrow. Wow, look at super extended on the map. Yeah, all right, you got alerts here. I'll adjust it so it could definitely hit the channel. Let me delete this old one. This is the one we gotta watch. Let the boy, yep, watch right here. So we watch that one. We go to 1410 at least. So let's see. I'm still in the oxy swing. Hopefully pick some steam tomorrow because slow leaker. Next bowl. So we got top going, then we got bowling. Let's go. Bolero. This is another small account. Remember, the Russell's been moving good, guys. So all these small account names look strong. No, trying to push. Look at this tight channel bolt that's been trading on for woof. How many months is this? August. Since August, I can't get out of this freaking range. Maybe tomorrow could be a test of the highs on this range. So I think we go watch it around. What's this? 11:15. I like 11:15. Let's check it out. 11:15. Mm-hmm. This is good. Yep, this is good too. Yeah, this is good, man. We could get some nice move. It'll be nice if it squeezes for a big move. Because this thing's been getting clobbered. So watch this one, small account friendly. Let's see next. We got Live Nation. Live Nation. And 2 more, and then we done, gang. And I'll take any names I want me to run through. Live Nation looks good too on the daily. Bouncing off of this rejection area around here. This is a rejection on Live Nation. Looking like it wants to hold. And that's the 200. Yep. Bouncing off the 200 team. So I don't know why they were getting beaten up for last week. Wow. They got beat up bad. All right. I'm going to watch it right here.
Maybe like summer just kind of dying down, concerts kind of,
Hmm,
I don't know. That's
maybe.
crazy.
Yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 max dark red. They look like they're twinning right now, so we might start seeing some change finally. Yeah, just wait until we get above this 50 to try to get in. Yeah. Cause the RSI doesn't look that bad. We look, it's trying to, hold up. So after getting smacked for a while. So yeah, I like the upside. I don't think it's gonna sell more. This they make money obviously because people still pay to go to concert no matter the price they put on the ticket. So yeah, this is bullish. I'm not bearish. All right, it bounced off the 200. We just got to cross the 50 now. All right, so far, so far. Remember, Firm was ripping last week. Upstart was ripping last week. Let's look at SoFi. SoFi. SoFi put in the great candle on Friday. Wow. So it flagged rip. This two candle, boom, boom, held above the 21. See you later. And it ripped to 250. Yep. At the same damn time on Friday. Now the question is it gonna rip past 8 tomorrow or this week? So 8 is gonna be a crucial level to watch on SoFi. So I'll watch 8. 8.10 with y'all. I'll watch $8.10 with y'all. Why not? Bullish on SoFi. Last but not least, Waba, WA, Walgreens. I'm gonna talk about J&J too, because I remember J&J went ballistic on Friday. Walgreens is nice. Wow, nice move on Friday. Overlap 3 days of prices. Almost 4. Even this candle almost got smoked. Yeah, 10 change here on the Mac. RSI ripping up. Yeah, I'll watch it above the 21. Walgreens. If I see Walgreens moving, I'll definitely go see CVS. CVS is the pricier one, so it should move better. Let's see J&J, because J&J was crazy on Friday. Damn, J&J, gap up, hammer candle. Nice. It's a nice, strong hammer candle. Oh my God, is it really gonna go higher from here? So what level is this? 159, so 160 calls. 159, what's that? 99, yeah. Mm-hmm. You gotta watch J&J. I think it's better to watch the bounce. Come on, this joint been ripping for 3 days. I'm still bullish on it though. I'm not bearish. This thing look like it's about to pull some numbers up. So the bounce entry, in my opinion, for Johnson and Johnson has to be, oh shoot, it has to be around here. Yeah, I'll put an alert here. I'll tell y'all right now why. All right, so boom, right? What happened on Friday? We sold on J&J and then ripped off a VWAP. I know I didn't bounce right off of VWAP, but 15 held VWAP because it's dancing in and out of there. Bounced, finally broke out. So this was a breakout zone. That's what I'm thinking. If we sell, we could bounce off this breakout zone, which was resistance over here a little bit too. So I think that's a good level to watch, yeah, for a retest to go back up. So watch that. I mean, worst comes to worst, it could come down here, which is what 156.60 area compared to 155, 157, sorry, 157.30. 157.30. So let me lower this right here. All right, 157.20-ish. All right, so yeah, I think it could bounce down resistance turn support. Looks bullish overall on the daily, not week. All right, and I think that's it, y'all. Let me verify. Yep. Yeah, that's it. I don't got no more names. Any names y'all want me to talk about?
Yo, I just got two.
Throw them at me, bro.
I got Rivian and PLTR.
I actually was watching Rivian tonight. I was gonna add it to watch list. It looked good.
See a lot of potential in Rivian to like 1960.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. Like it, bro. This is a bullish too. Almost. Not. Yeah. The wick went over. Yeah, this is a bullish engulfing on the daily too. The wick went over. So yeah, I'll put an alert here. I'll watch it with you, bro. I like Rivian. I'll wait for a 75 entry cents.
I got
And
some alerts set as well.
all right. So PLTR. PLTR is bouncing off a nice resistance area. Okay. Yep, PLTR looks good here. PLTR looks good here. I like it all around, bro. I don't know what level you watching, but this 2085 zone looks interesting in my opinion. Or
Okay,
maybe
I went 2040 just to like
2040
that
right
was like
here.
yeah, that was like sneaky entry because I wasn't planning on riding it too long, just to maybe like the top of that red candle if it goes.
Okay. 2040, gotta just be careful because this candle closes at 20, almost point 0.5. So if you want the
Wait, what did you
swing,
say? You said 2060?
I said 2080 or 20. Yeah, I said 2080 around there. So I was looking around here
Okay.
because if you do get in 2040, I mean, it could go up, but I don't know if it's gonna break 20.5 because look, this is the close of this candle. And
Mm-hmm.
from there, it's gonna be tough to crack this level. So let me see. Yeah, I'll put both levels just to see how it works out. You say you had 2040,
Yeah,
so I'll put 2040
just
and
because like gap fill and it like
yeah,
testing highs again.
and I I wanted this entry right here around 70. Yeah, let's see what happens there. I'll put those two levels. This was yours, this was mine. Let's see. But I like the upside like you. I don't look like it's gonna come down.
And
And
I
this,
know you mentioned sound on Friday, but I saw the bounce off the 21 on the daily. Yeah, like super fire.
yeah, I think sound is gonna move off for AI. I think the AI is gonna make it move. Like I'm bullish on the on ER by the way on AI. Like I don't see why I should be bearish. All we've been doing is talking about AI all freaking year.
Yeah,
So
like
so
crazy.
yeah, sound is bouncing off of this level beautifully. So yeah, sound looks good too. Small account friendly. The 2.5 is or yeah, I would want to get the 2.5s. But yeah, I got some levels here too on sound. So y'all can see I was already bullish when I was talking about it on Friday because I was trying to wait for the entry with y'all, but it wasn't giving me no entry. So I was just setting up my
Yeah.
levels until, be prepared. But yeah, I'll watch it around here once we cross above one of these targets. Let me see.
Oh, is Roblox gonna keep going? Like we missed entry on that one. That was the end of the day banger right there.
No, Roblox has potential too. Roblox.
That was the end of the day banger.
Yeah, Roblox could keep going. The alert went off right here. Yep. And it went about $1 more from alert, basically. Let me see. Yep. So I will watch Roblox right before 41 if it's real. Yeah, I would do 90 for upside. Touch test the top of these wicks.
Hmm.
From there is risky, in my opinion, but bullish. It looks OD bullish. Not embarrassed about Roblox, in my opinion. And this is crossing up almost. All right, all right. Mm. Anyone else? Or that's it? That's what you got, Climate?
That's all I got. You got anything, Clap?
Nope. Nah, you probably don't.
I
Uh,
was just looking at the exit. Oh, real estate looks super fire. There's a couple of things actually. I was gonna run down the data with you. We got Jolts this week,
okay.
non-farm on Friday, and PMI.
All
And
right.
we got 30-year mortgages, so we could watch real estate and vehicle sales come out this week.
Oh, interesting. Vehicle sales. All right.
So
All right.
like we could watch Ford and GM
Yep.
and all them.
Yep. All right. So we in for another week, man. Let's try to start off slow. It's Monday. Get the weekend jitters out the way and get the ball rolling throughout the day.
Edie.
Let's get it.
All right, man. Appreciate you.
All right, man. I'll catch you. I'll see if y'all on for futures later. Or if not, catch you in the morning like always.
All right, man.
All right, be easy, gang.
Yo, big
But
catch, man. Thank you.
You're welcome, my brother.
Mañana, banana.
All right, climber. I'm clap.